me chache obi bia mo bia kwa aba eba zip show so upcoming artist Jumedi a ye die o zip show so ene menya skinny best e wa ha me ne no eba betwetwe nkomo ne nwom fofra ode aba ye friend no too much eno na obeda ne di e di acho skinny na ti say
Nyankopon do me bia boko na so e
me so me ho ye pa me ho di me ginam ye sa bela ba na why too much.
Okay, yeah, too much ni ade bia like a kasafa ma ho. Yes, or body like or somebody nya ade abetimi akonanim so what you say. Yes, ene bibi e wo ba hu bia FB too much.
Yeah. Ghana former.
Yes, Ghana former me too much.
Nigeria former.
Me too much.
America former.
Bia you too much. Bia too much.
Man you too much. Na too much na kwasai. Me freestyle kakra.
Okay. Bad girl Henneken, drink Henneken, skinny best go to show you bad man thing eh. Baby girl, aye, make you drop that thing, shake that thing, pretty girl, why fuck, bad man, aye. Oh. Baby girl, aye, slow down, let me see you girl, why no, hey. Your macare be sick of that, they make confuse, so yeah, you be too much, oh. That girl, fine girl, you be too much, oh. Okay,
mommy anje brand uncle too much na Kasambra. Ne ba ne ababe to adwumadi so e dope.
Skinny best and again. Fine girl, too much. Aye.
It's first to the K, it's first to the K, it's Elvin.
Bad girl Henneken, drink Henneken, skinny best go to show you bad man thing, aye. Baby girl, aye. Make you drop that thing, shake that thing, pretty girl, why fuck, bad man, aye. Baby girl, aye. Slow down, let me see you go, why no. Your maca they be sick of that they make confuse, so yeah. Slow down, let me see you go, why no. Your maca they be sick of that they make confuse, so yeah. You be too much, you be too much. That girl, fine girl, you be too hot.
Na obabe na inspire wa odi too much iba bontin.
Okay, yeah. Meti me aka so ba me no for now. See me no ka say.
Your friend say.
Your friend comfort your boy.
Well, comfort. We are very lucky. Your family didn't to nyom da. Me no group we need djuma. Mo family didn't to nyom da. Hey, and comfort me penation or heavy.
Heavy. Too much. Yeah.
Sa pepe. Na studio be na here recording.
Yeah, Kobe Knobs.
I want you.
Yeah, Buakwa, yes, Buakwa mentia.
When your first singer na so record nyom bebre dada.
Yeah, bebre o ba me hu ni say we na Ghana fo agye to ma me hu ni say ekoso. Yeah.
Too much e ba di be say.
Okay, yeah, recently this week here na me drop it. Yes, this week yeah. Let's say it's a Monday. Yes, yeah. Monday na yeah.
What media to baby.
Oh yes. Obi abetimi akwa akotwe bi Google search yeah. Skinny best. What they too much no so so kwa dia be hu bibia ekoso. Yeah.
Tunya ko Google na bo skinny best ebe yaba too much be yaba na so atwe no TV mranti omo bon mo modin ye pa nti na Kof TV ya fa to yan so say we upcoming artist now release single bia aha you fie o de obeya ne say frɛ and I say WhatsApp your number no ye be buy no aba be dijuma titi anyi sketch bia ye free ye de moa na ye ba say ba beboa mo ti hia ne so be frɛ ne aba no aba dijuma sisi anu too much no one master be BAV and as all the touch be best account.
Oh yes, my master be BAV. My master be BAV.
The album now they ban as a single happen.
Yeah, single yape. Yeah, single yape. But later me the album beba. Yeah, more you just expect. Later me the album beba.
Apart from too much, you know. A dear nyum bisane sa wo abon tia ya.
Okay, yes, me wo fuck you honum. Yes, me wo assault a Dawson. Yes, a Dawson. Yeah, Dawson. In fact, a Dawson. Me wo only you. Me wo a Dawson, Charlie, a dear Dawson. Yes. What bomb Medina shim? Yes. Yeah, you also bomb Medina shim. Skinny best, asa, skinny best, too much, skinny best, only you. Yes, a Dawson. Till the hand say yes. BBA.
But for now, they too much. Na ya concentrate. Say opianko nonko chibi na wonti anyum na DJ me de meta boti esan say eye me de. Sana me sure say onso ko pebi na atwe na utia ebe ye wo de. Anyum de mo a utie no na hunu mu nsem na afi nso esan so ye wo de. Skinny ubon modin ye pa nyame shaw ye pa me sure say when your opportunity aba na there sana Ghana for be koso ate wonka obe rewura ba bibibre mommy support Skinny best na obonu ye Skinny Ghana for anyum to for no one pa na feeling no
okay like Ghana for the nipa kwa me checking here can promise yes a Nigeria oh no like nigga na me checking a lifestyle on pen ho asem yes
ampa open asem ampa ampa where is Skinny best no can promise the Libya
on pen ho asem when me nyum twira nkasa yeah o yade yes no correct yeah
the genre of music now yeah
okay me ha life me afro high life and afro yeah
okay say the one also high life now the afro ni kakra to so na eko osanso say ofili can promise esanse mpabo akase de munya hye omugusu a omo hye ko manim so ate dem echo na say na Skinny best ofili can promise utimi to nenwom ni bi
yeah me timi to
nenwom be na yo de
abena
kwesen
oh yeah me penyo ne pa abena ma abena mi die Braba share me why oh yeah abina mi die braba share me why oh yeah say do ana ju amen komeda if is your door my fan why oh yeah odo ko ya cho na yantambre
sabe pepe enti se can promise show ade asem na aka che no
oh yeah no cre dey metimi aka ne say wo hwe na se na gimi nyum to nko ade a o me support me yes because upcoming artist say easy so betimi aba out here mo bebre na so obi a na gimi so person ni business nko ade I'm ready for that person yeah
na sisi awo manager
oh no mini manager
one e bo awon nyum to
okay and I'm a kind of bar me no want to be bia or your mommy yes
no one that's all the na bonyom
oh yeah
support you
supporting no crepa no cre onu ntina mo wase no crepa
o pese wo ya nwuma o ebrewo mo
oh yes ebrewo serious because katuano doso yes katuano upcoming artist is easy serious tina na sem paibo na obi so behu ye mobo no
obi so asena ya omoje be a radio station TV station
okay like it depend baby abeko bi obi ane ne bonko yes it depend baby obi wono me bo be bompo kra no be kaso you what about 20 minutes amba biem yes but obi wono ma be obebo before then abeko no gisa che no crepa
try say nka be promote onyum no ba normally na obstacles
yes
then abeka che DJ for ne omo TV stations
okay like ye hiamwa no credit ye ba ko pe emwa de ye because so boa me oni me de me ba be ye ochine bi amount sanity because ye ne ye nketo ayeba so what you say pemfo no madikan ya omo ye den omo fresh nkra na ye nso ye wom ne ye de yemra out so what you say yes ntino so ye penyini na so wo position bi a wo hwe na betimi abo obi nko ade a se nye me anase miane nko ade oboa na menim se da bi no bebo odin ama amansen na wo say wo na oboa no ne be ye nso so bebo odin pa e wo amansen ni
na what try say wo radio station bi na TV station am obi attend on down pen
okay yeah
my person obebodi
oh David everything body because
na what say here dey
okay ni na yesketuana yes yeah ni na mo mi shede niska ni na yesketuana so no nyame adom kakra kre koso no kre enum bi abam yeah no kre
to ba Cove TV what and check am
oh David o munjuma fe serious say nya sa adwuma de we bi say e Ghana asia bibia be koyi ama akwa na ti because ye bre say na adwuma bia te nko ade a ye be person kenye de enye ho na nkenka ho tini ya da Cove TV phone na si yeah they metimi aka ya
start say wo ye nwom edin fi be say
okay 3 years for now yes yeah 3 years
when your opportunity a perform wo baby
oh yes okay yeah me call back ho La Privé Hotel me call back so like me share nim dim ba me ne kodwon kansa mo ya Jackson yeah na yes yeah you know
so am for
yes
it is obi show na so person from ma obebo show a number be na de betuja
okay number is 0557 121 084 and I'm social media handles YouTube Skinny Best GH, Facebook Skinny Best GH, even be
follower
yes Skinny Best GH. What they here and say social media handle na Skinny Best na the GH na so.
If a number na sa to drive.
Okay 0557 121 084 yeah Skinny Best. To bet me afre say business so say be collaboration me wo ho yeah.
Apart from jump to our yeah I will try so be bad bontin ama Ghana for ajiwatum na de baby na say.
Okay yeah me yard like me pamade yes yeah me a designer yes yeah me a designer
I want hefa
Oh yes, e won na nani akon.
No way.
E wo Abuakwa.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Santi Abuakwafu nyina no modem ntade kɔ ama wapama mama no na mo san support no wo ne nnwumtum sanso na make che Ghana fu nyina sɛ sɛ otifie na so wo talent no unim nnwumto a men ha ho entena fi nye tobe ye number go on frɛ onsaka video ni bia ya fa comment bra enwoma wotie hu ne sɛn ɛna afi so no wopɛ so obedwumadi wi so WhatsApp ye ana sɛ frɛ number no ye beba enu abedi dwuma onsaka video yi bi so aya share na afoforo enso enhwɛ bi we nya ye in support of Skinny Best mommy enhwɛ ne yemfa in support no Skinny ye di dwumadi be na we no wo last week bi ade betutuja adofo bi a obechia wo ma.
Okay, yeah. Nina no mechia oba me no e fani comfortable because on nti na mo ha.
Many brino.
Yeah, na aseda so komba could be nerves. On the boa me a di dwumadi we dey e ba so enwom na ye kɔ no on the ba so na can I say aseda so komba Cove TV. Yes, because enyo mo anka me ya say serious enyo mo so anka unhu me to say yes nti no se na komba sa nipa me nsan we see no mo no maboa me e wo dwumadi a me di nti nyame hire obi a oboa me ene me fans na nyame hire mo ni na nti yes.
Say ye di dwumadi ni ba we ya aya ye game bia ye play your friend the Zip an international ni the Zip show no nti no why ready NBA Zip no na answer questions no nkwa na.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
Oh yes, I'm ready.
Okay. And the onum say you cast a corn and a maize difference o me dey.
Corn and maize difference o mo. Yeah, maize no akwa e bi to say a bro. Yes, a bro. And a corn. Wow. Okay, yes. Corn like a yani a brasse. Yes, a yani a brasse. Yes, the difference o mo no. Yes.
Difference o man say corn yani a brasse.
Yes. Yes.
Corn dua na te say.
Ani dey me hu bi da.
Unfa wani hu corn dua.
David.
Ba bro dua dey wan bi.
Yeah.
Skinny Best na wa me ne na etwetwe nkomo no so corn enemies on na chechire mu ya na magimi din afiri ho ono nko a na ye na me nka ho bi so atije me chana ye ka se corn na amazing so wa wo hwe no so wo difference bia obetimi dia ba say ye bagi ni nyina so atum pepepe de make e twa to no se mo support Skinny na eba no nwompa pa dia ono ibenya gidie wo no mu se Ghana da achi bi no obebre anwompa me ameka se ye frɛ me Kwame Mario da se ne ye be sanso e di ahia. Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.